What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to do another Alt hotkey example, and that's going to be auto adjust with column width. So let's hop right into it. Typically, if you had a long string of text, you would be manually dragging or double clicking to get that column to fit whatever text you have. So I'm just going to type something very simple. Today is what, July 31st, 2020. And when you hit enter, you'll notice that it shows the text, but for whatever reason you had data in the other column, and therefore you can't see everything. You see it up in the formula bar, but you can't see it in this cell. So if you just quickly wanted to adjust that column width so that it snaps it into place using the Alt hotkey, like every video, we're going to hit the Alt key. We're still in the Home tab H, and then as I just showed you, it's under Format, so hit O, and then we're going to hit W. So, Alt H O, excuse me, I, auto fit column width, not W, Alt H O I. And so there you go, it snaps it right into place. So let's undo that real quick, and you'll notice that when you do quickly Alt H O I, snaps it right into place. Like every other video, it just takes practice, and when you're using Excel every day, it just becomes second nature. So appreciate it, guys. Please leave a comment. Any other videos or Excel tips that you would like to see, much appreciated. Please like the video and subscribe so that you can be notified of upcoming videos. So appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.